Congratulations. You made it. You a leader. You earned your management position. You've earned your sales position. You've earned your business position. Now you need to hit your next foundational steps to make your team like you, to improve, to grow, and to do what you have to do to get to the next level. Number one, realize that what got you here will not get you there. Everything that you did prior, that's your experience, will not correlate or change. Don't expect anybody on your team to be different. You got to start with yourself. Number one, set the tone early. The culture, the legacy, the impact. You started. Start by coming early. Set a precedence of valuing others' time. They will value yours. Start a precedent of your word means something. If I say I'm going to do something, or we say we're going to do something from a client or a customer, it needs to get done. Urgency is a way of life, not pace, not speed, but urgency. Whenever I get a phone call, it's urgent that I call them back in a respectful manner. Whenever somebody needs something, it's urgent for me to fulfill their needs in a respectful manner. Whenever something is demanded of me or I say I give my word to it, it is urgent of me to make sure it gets done. Now that we in management and leadership, we got to understand people say they don't judge, but everybody judges. We judges the way you dress, the way you present yourself, the way you answer the phone, the way you respond, how soon you respond, how professional you respond when you have an emotional moment. Everybody judges every aspect inside of your personal career. I want you to understand that. It's okay for you not to know, but it's never okay for you not to find out. It's okay for you to not know all the answers, but it's never okay for you to not follow up and tell them the answers you did recover. I'm happy for you. I'm proud of where your legacy leads. I'm so excited for you to start your management journey. But remember, moving forward until now, we are new people, we are a new person, and everything is about our company and your own legacy. You ready?